while having fun. And I love all the dancing happening. We've got one more song for you, and it's a very special one. Because have you heard that someone is coming tonight? Who was that? Can you be louder? Santa is coming. So our next song is dedicated to Santa, and it's called "Here Comes Santa Claus." Have you heard that one before? Ooh, okay. Well, what you have you heard that one before? Okay. We've got enough people that know the tune. And it goes like this. We're gonna sing it again. It's yellow. Do you remember yellow? Where are my yellow people? Santa? And green. And if you do not like the green part, you can easily move to the yellow. But I promise you, they're both super. So, yellow team. That's our fabulous sopranos. Are you ready for Santa? Santa Claus, he goes Santa Claus, running down Santa Claus Lane. Big Santa, big Santa, all he's making, pulling on the fin. How did you find this song? Tricky? Give me the oohs and ahs against soprano. Because all I could see a lot of people trying them out. But let's make sure that there is confidence in team. So here we go. That's our ooh. And if you don't want to sing that by, you can just sing it here with me. One, two, three, here we go. That was much better. Thank you. Now, green group. Thank you for patiently waiting. Are you still with us? Four. So you first sing for Santa and then you have something for us. Do you think we can put it together yellow and green? United in harmony. Let's give it a go. Team, ready? Fabulous. From this point on, the green team is continuing with the melody. Where are my green people? Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, flying down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a black vest with
Why is the green supposed to be blue?
and you are taking a very special. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. I think we can do it together straight away. Sopranos, are you ready? Yellow, are you ready? Santa Claus, here we go. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Okay, we've got one little thing to show you, and then we are almost ready for Santa. Are you ready? Almost ready. We've got